Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we connect earphone with our Redmi phone. Friends, you want to connect guys your earphone with your phone, so how can you connect? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see guys how can we connect earphones. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, click on guys your phone Bluetooth setting. And guys, now first of all guys, we will have to on guys our earphones. So guys, turn on your earphones first of all. After on guys, you will have to on guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys. Tap here. Friends, you can refresh option, you can see guys, tap on refresh. Then guys, Bluetooth setting will refresh. Then guys, you can see your earphone name. So I have got the CL20. I will tap here to connect. So once you can see this notification guys, tap here to connect. Then guys, you can see connected, battery 100% active. So guys, now we can use guys our earphone while watching movies, listening song, cartoons, whatever you want to watch guys, you can watch with your earphone. Means you can use your earphones. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.